Hey Bluebeamers, welcome back to Brighter Graphics, your go-to channel for all things Bluebeam Revu. In this video, we'll show you how to use Claude to generate offset measurements and markups in Bluebeam Max. Let's get started. As you can see, we have multiple area measurements on this drawing, and our goal is to create an offset markup around one of these area measurements. Bluebeam Max already lets you create offsets manually through the Edit menu, and we've covered that workflow using the Offset Magic tool in a separate tutorial. This time, we'll see how Claude can generate precise, accurately dimensioned offset annotations for us instead. Before starting, make sure your Claude desktop app is connected to Bluebeam Max. Now let's open Claude and enter our prompt. We're asking Claude to access the PDF open in Revu and generate an offset area measurement based on area measurement 1. Area measurement 1 is our parent measurement already placed on this drawing. Next, we'll give Claude the precise parameters needed for this offset. We want an outward offset at a distance of 2 meters from the boundary of the parent measurement. We're also specifying that the offset itself should be created as an area measurement, since offsets can be generated as different measurement or markup types. We want the offset area measurements unit set to square meters. To avoid conflicting or placeholder values in the markups list, we're instructing Claude to set the offset subject as offset area 1. Finally, we're telling Claude not to populate the comments column after generating the offset. Now let's press enter and let Claude generate the offset. Claude confirms the task is complete as directed, but flags one point worth noting. As expected, the comments column won't stay empty. Revu automatically populates it with the measurement value, so that's normal behavior rather than a garbage value. Here we can see the new offset area measurement, correctly labeled with the subject offset area 1. Comparing this against our prompt, the subject, appearance, and every other parameter match exactly what we specified. Next, let's verify the most important detail, that the offset boundary sits exactly 2 meters from the parent measurement. To check this, open the Measurements panel and select the Length tool. Now measure the perpendicular distance between corresponding points on the parent and offset boundaries. The length reads 6 feet 6 inches. Let's switch the unit format from the Measurements panel. And there it is. The distance measures exactly 2 meters, matching what we specified to Claude. Next, we'll generate a volume offset from an area measurement by reusing the same prompt with a few adjustments. This time, we'll create a volume offset based on a different area measurement, labelled area measurement 2. We're setting the offset boundary distance to 3 meters. We've specified that the resulting offset should be a volume type measurement, with cubic meters as the unit. Since volume is a 3D quantity, we also need to specify a depth to convert this 2D area measurement into volume, so we'll include it in our prompt instead of adding it manually later. We've also set the subject for this new offset as offset volume 1. Everything else stays consistent, matching appearance and leaving the comments column untouched to avoid placeholder values. Let's press enter and let Claude generate the volume offset from area measurement 2. And there we go. Claude has successfully generated the volume offset based on the parameters we specified. As you can see, the volume is calculated and displayed in our target unit of cubic meters. The subject for this new offset reads offset volume 1, exactly as instructed in our prompt. Once again, the comments column is automatically populated with the measurement value. Now let's confirm that the offset boundary sits exactly 3 meters from the parent markup. Open the Measurements panel and select the Length tool to verify. Measure the perpendicular distance between corresponding points on the parent and offset measurements. In the Measurements panel, switch the unit format from feet to meters. And the distance matches exactly what we specified. Now select the volume offset and open the Measurements panel. You'll notice the depth value is set to 2 meters, exactly as we instructed Claude. You can adjust the depth value at any time to recalculate the volume, or simply ask Claude to update it for you. This is how the right prompts let Claude generate precise offset markups and measurements for you. We've included the prompt template in the video description, so you can start creating offsets in Bluebeam Max right away. Thanks for watching. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics.